Before colder weather arrives, it's important to isolate and drain your external tap. When temperatures fall below freezing, water in the pipe can freeze and expand. This can cause pipes or fittings to crack or burst, leading to water damage and costly repairs. Locate the internal isolation valve for the external tap, usually found beneath the kitchen sink. Turn the isolation valve to the closed position to stop the water supply to the external tap. Go outside and fully open the external tap to let any remaining water in the pipework drain away. Leave the external tap fully open until the risk of freezing temperatures has passed. Leaving it open ensures no water is trapped in the pipe, reducing the risk of freezing, expansion, and damage. When freezing weather has passed, simply close the external tap and reopen the isolation valve to restore your water supply. If you're unsure where your isolation valve is, check your homeowner guide or contact customer care. A few minutes now can help prevent avoidable damage and costly repairs. Isolate, drain, leave open, protect your home.